Hi everyone, my name is Vin. Welcome to NCR Rizal Properties. Okay, so upper Antipolo pa rin, corner unit. And available din for zero down payment. Ayan, so ito yung unit. Corner unit siya. Lot area is 81 square meter and floor area is 142 square meter. So yung baka magtanong na naman sa price. Price is 7.6 million. Ayan. Again, 7.6 million available for zero down payment. So, ito yung ating service area. Okay, so may access yan dyan. Ito, hindi ko lang nabanggit, pero yun, may sliding door po doon. So, hindi na kailangang lalabas pa ng main door para makapunta doon sa ating service area. So, ito yung ground floor, living, dining, and kitchen area. Then, meron tayong full toilet and bath. Ayan, nasa ilalim na hagdan. Okay? So, living and dining. Then, meron tayong bedroom dito sa ground floor. Maganda dyan kasi decent size. So, may kasama kayong senior, pwede din po. Yan. So, hindi lang pang maid's quarter, pwede nyong gamitin for senior. Kung wala po kayong kasambahay, senior ang kasama nyo. Ayan, pwede. Ayan. So, proceed tayo sa ating second floor. Alright, so yan yung number ko. If interested, message lang po kayo dyan ha. Viber ready na rin. Okay? So, dito sa second floor, meron tayong 3 bedrooms. Then, dalawa po yung toilet and bath. Yung isa, syempre, nasa loob ng master's bedroom. Okay? So, decent size po yung mga bedrooms natin. With built-in cabinets na rin. Right? So, ito yung second bedroom. Yan. Tapos, merong space dito for family area. This second floor, ayan. Pwede ka maglagay ng desktop or ayan, meron ding malaking window for natural light. Right? So, ito yung ating common toilet and bath para dun sa 2 bedrooms na nauna. Okay. Then, ito yung ating master's bedroom. Naka-cove ceiling. Maaliwalas ang tanawin. Ayan, kung mapapansin nyo, daming sliding window, sliding door, tas mga malalaki window for natural light. So, may sarili ring private bathroom. Right, so yun lang. Message lang if interested. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.